Okay, it's recording. We're good. Like these angles. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my fidget pack. Of course, me being me decides to not say that I'm also getting tangles, those things that you see on the screen. But also, just so you know, I say throughout the video that I don't have them. It's probably going to become tomorrow. It came later in the videos and you'll see that. So yeah, that I got from Amazon. I will link my pack in the description if you want to go check it out. Also, I did some research on this pack that I bought, and it says some things are in the pictures are not what you actually get, but I think they're better things even, because like the pictures were things I actually wanted. So I am like so excited, and I don't know if I already said fidget thing, but this is what I'm opening, a fidget pack. And I wanted to show you real quick what the fidgets I have. So I have these and this, like not a lot at all. I have tangles as well. I ordered some tangles, but it might not be here. So we are going to be opening the package. Here it is. Oh my god, okay. I am so excited. So I have an idea of what's in the box package, but I honestly kind of forget. So we're just gonna be like, first thing we have is this thing. So like, we had this at our daycare. This like, I honestly don't know what you're supposed to do with this. Like, I remember we had this at my like old daycare, and you had to like get the colors to something, but honestly, I have no clue. Oh, no, you're supposed to match up the colors to the shirt. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. I got one. Oh, God. That is so satisfying and nice. I honestly wouldn't count it as a fidget toy, but I already knew it was coming in the package, so. This wacky track. It is a wacky track, and honestly, it makes no noise, which I was not expecting, but the color is beautiful, and I love, like, just to play with it, 'cause it's, like, fidgety, and when I'm watching videos, I can just be like, So this is super awesome, and oh my god, I really love it. So next up, I feel another wacky track. Is that right? Yep, we have another, and I think they like connect somehow. Oh yes, you can like connect them to make like a really big one. So somehow, I don't know. But you can connect them, and it's like super cool, and they're very, oh my dog, no. So next, we have the monkey noodles. I get like, on camera it shows it really weird. Okay, so I really wanted these monkey noodles. They like feel super cool. And there's a couple in this pack, so I'm really excited to see more of the things. Yes, we have another one. Oh my god. I tried to smell if it was scented, but it's not. But oh my god. I love like just the feeling, and stretching them and stuff is really satisfying. So we have, oh my god, wait, these are like really cool. They're different colored marble meshes. Oh my goodness. So we have a bunch of different colors, which these are like super cool. You see that? It's like super cool and pretty and amazing. Period. So next we have We have the infinity cube. Oh my god, I wanted this so bad. It's a bit dirty. I don't know if you can see. Super satisfying. I really like it because you really can just do anything with it and it will just... Oh my god. I freaked out for a sec because it got detached, but they can do that, thank god. Oh my god. You can like see my face and the fear that went through it. So next we have all the mochis that I got. So let's just see all these. Beautiful. I'll open them afterwards. Oh! I also have a bike chain. So we're the scissors. I'll open that. Oh my god, wait, this is not what I was expecting it to feel like. I don't know what I was expecting it to be like, but definitely not like this. That is like, how do you play with these? Like, I've seen people do it, but I honestly don't know how to play with these. So, last but not least, we have a Fidget cube. So, I'll open it right now. Oh, there we go. It is yellow, and it is super cool. And honestly, this is way better than, like, the Fidget cube that I have right here. It is way better and super cool. So, there's a bunch of things to do. You can have a button and a bunch of that. So honestly, there's a package. I don't know if it's like for my Tangle or what, but I really want to open these cute little mochis. So I also have a giant box of mochis, so I could just add it to that collection. Oh, there's this super cute elephant. Oh my god. So next we have a little frog. Here it is. It's so cute. Ooh, next we have a dinosaur. It's so soft. Like, these are way softer than like the mochis I actually have, so that's kind of cool. So next is this thing. I honestly don't know what it is. I'm pretty sure it's a polar bear. I'm like almost certain. I mean, I'm not certain, but oh my god, it has like, I love how it's textured. And last but not least, we have a little snail. I have this in pink formation, so I'm glad we got a little green one. Oh my god, they're so cute. I'll show you guys everything that I got. I have 2 monkey noodles. Honestly, hope my Tangles like get here because I need them. But yeah, there's this. We have the marble and mesh, which are super satisfying. We have a couple colors. We have these. We have a Fidget cube, which I am obsessed with. A bicycle, a bike chain. Honestly, I still don't know how to use these. Like, I see YouTube videos on people using these, but I'm like, how? Like, so yeah, that will take me a bit to learn how. Got a wacky track, 2 wacky tracks, but super like fidgety and nice. Oh no, there we go. And have this puzzle game ball thing, which honestly is super like. Oh my god, I did it. Actually, no, I didn't, but like, it's close enough. I have these mochis as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys when my Tangles get here, and then I'll probably be in different clothes. It will probably be the next day, but yeah. Sorry but for the angle change, but believe it or not, my Tangles came. So I am very excited. It's a 5-pack set. Oh, oh my god, wait a sec. I'm Canadian. So first of all, we have this one, which is like really, I don't know the word to describe it. It's very light to like push and stuff, which honestly is like not a bad thing. I really like it. And we have this one, which is a bit harder to push, like as you can see, and like they can undo and redo, hopefully. But honestly, I kind of like it better like this. Because this, you kind of don't get enough freedom, but for this, like, you get all the freedom you want. Now we have this one, which honestly is super nice as well. I really like it. And this one, oh my god, when I saw it, I was like, I need this because look at how cool, like, the color is on this. So this one's like a bit stiffer, not like that much stiff, but like still. We have this one, which is super light, like super, and I really, really like it. So we are gonna add these 5, including a broken one. And yeah, I will show you guys everything that we got today. I don't know why I did a British accent, but yeah. So I'm going to be putting the names up here somewhere, and also link will be in the description for both of these things. Also, one is in here, so I kind of lost the other one, but not really. It's just like in the mix. So honestly, I'd rate the tangles an 8.5 out of 10, just because they broke really easily. I don't know, but it might just be that one. But other than that, they're pretty good. But now I'm just gonna be cautious of what I do to this, and I'm gonna rate my Fidget pack 8 out of 10 because I really loved it. It had some false advertising as well. It also had some dirty stuff in it, like this. I don't know if you can see, I kind of washed it off, some of it. But I am so sorry, someone just called me. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I'm really sorry I'm doing, or I don't know if you guys like the unboxings or not. This is probably going to be my last one for a while because I just really wanted to buy it, so I did. That was like not even an explanation. But yeah, I love you guys, and also thank you so much for 135 subscribers. That was like not my intention of growing my channel that quick. Like with a snap, I got like 10, 20 more subscribers. I don't know, but it was insane. Like when I came home from school, I was like, but yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all in the next video.